Okay. We're going to install a Letsencrypt SSL certificate, and I go ahead and use Namecheap. So once you've pointed your name servers over to DigitalOcean, head on into the DigitalOcean control panel. And in our case here, I'm just going to use the host name Ubuntu. And it's going to point at the virtual machine that I spun up for this. And just create the record, because Letsencrypt needs to have an A record that will resolve to your host. And then it's as simple as this one-line command. So it's Letsencrypt, and we're going to give it the Apache switch because that's what we're running for a web server. The domain is ubuntu.cs59.co, which is my development domain, and that mswitch is email address. And then, of course, I throw in the agree to toss because I don't want to look at this giant terms of service thing, which I've already seen at least 50 times now. So go ahead and issue that, and it's real easy. Just follow along. Now, I personally want it to only serve up HTTPS, and so that's how I've got my stuff configured. And I'll go ahead and just list out the directory because you can see what it looks like for Letsencrypt. It's in the etc directory. You'll see where all your certs live. So back over here on your WordPress dashboard, go into the settings and then general. And what we're going to do is we're going to put in the HTTPS with a fully qualified domain name, and then just go ahead and copy it into the site address URL and save that. Then go on up to the address bar here and put in your fully qualified domain name. Hit enter, and there you go. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.